Hey guys, and welcome back. So today you join me here at the Krantzkloof Nature Reserve. I'm going to do the trail, as well as at the end of the trail there's a waterfall that's here. So we're going to have a look at that and let's get started. So to go to the waterfall, yeah, I just have to cross here the road. Here's the sign. Then the small gate you have to go through. I guess this is where the trail starts. There's a river that's flowing to my right. Can't really show you at the moment, but when I get a better shot, I will. Look at this tree. The roots. Okay, let's go further in. Here we can see the river better. So where I parked my car, they said that there's two waterfalls that you could walk to this trail. This one is a bit of a shorter trail. It's 1.5 kilometers to the waterfall and 1.5 kilometers back, so 3 kilometers in total. This here they said is the smaller waterfall, but the bigger waterfall is 6 kilometers in total, 3 going, 3 coming back. But I think the route over there is like very slippery. Yeah, it's like very slippery. So I don't know. It's my first time coming here to the Krantzkloof Nature Reserve. So I thought, like, let me just try the safe one for now. But if this video does well, I'll come back here and do the longer trail that goes to the bigger waterfall. Going up a bit now. Then down. The sponsor of today's video is Legacy Real Estate Group. Legacy, based in Durban Central. If you are looking to buy or rent a property, be sure to contact Legacy Real Estate Group. Legacy does sales of homes and apartments, as well as property management of tenants. They can help you find your dream home to either rent or buy, and also help you with securing a bond. If you go to their website, these are some of the homes that they currently have on sale or to rent. Or you could give them a call and one of their agents will be happy to assist. I would like to thank Legacy Real Estate Group for sponsoring the channel. The link to their website is in the description below. So now, let's get back to the video. So, the last time that I went on a trail was at the Umhlanga Nature Reserve a couple of weeks ago. And at the end of the video, as I was walking back, I noticed that there was a snake on the trail. And I didn't get it on camera and it annoyed me so much that I just stopped recording at that point. But when I saw it, I panicked. I started walking back, and then when it saw me, it slithered and went back into like the bushes and stuff. But wow, that was I can't believe I didn't get that on the video. So hopefully today it's not so bad. I don't see any snakes or whatever. I just see the waterfall. So this is a bridge. The lady at the front said, don't cross a bridge. So I don't know if it's this one. Forest trail close by. Okay, let's continue forward. It looks to go a bit uphill, yeah. Quite a lot uphill. Hopefully I can still make it by the end of this video. This is the route that I have to walk. Quite a bit more uphill. Wow, it's still going uphill. You know, they said this was only a 1.5 kilometer trail, and I thought 1.5 kilometers, that's like nothing. But this is strenuous. Walking uphill. Wow. I hope it gets a bit level, or at least goes downhill just now, because I can't even talk right now. Okay, finally it started to level out a bit, but as you can see from my breathing, I'm still very tired. This waterfall better be worth it. The view here is pretty good, and it's, thank God, it's leveled out a bit. I can hear water. I can hear, I'm guessing that'll be the waterfall. It's been like 5 minutes later and I'm still walking. Still walking. This is a trail, and then it's just straight down. If you were to roll, but at least this part is a bit more flat. I can hear water. I can hear a stream or a river. But this is the waterfall. Okay. Let me see if I can, how far I can extend it. Let's have a look at this bridge. Yeah, now we can get a lot better view. Maybe I should get a picture of myself with this. So this is the small waterfall. I wish there was a better view of it, like if you could look at it from down, that would make a lot better view. But on the trail, this is what you can see. If you were to walk further along that bridge, it would bring you down to this waterfall right here. You'd come down here and have this view. Let me do a thumbnail. Just look at this. Wow. Pretty good. Pretty good sight. You just walk around here. So it might be a bit slippery further I mean closer to the waterfall, but have a look at this. How's this shot right here? Can I get a thumbnail with that view? Let's see how this comes out. There's the top where I was recording on that bridge. Then if you walk along, it'll bring you down this path here, and then here's the bottom of the waterfall. Pretty beautiful sight. So I'm gonna go back up now, but you can follow the trail down this way. It'll lead back to where you started. Okay, I'm going to head back now. 1.5 kilometers back. I left somebody back that side that I need to I can't just leave them there, so let me just go back the other way. Walking back the way that I came, so this will be the easy part, but when I go back to where all those rocky parts was, I know it's gonna get a lot more tough, but at least this time it's downhill. Here we go, and now it begins going all the way downhill on these rocks. This is the easy trail, they said. Only 1.5 kilometers, they said. Easy? Well, it's not easy, but it is difficult. Oh, shit. If this trail is a bit slippery going down, I can only imagine what the 6 kilometer trail must be like. Because all these leaves down make it slippery. Okay, I'm going to stop recording because I need to pay attention now. If you were to come on this trail, I would recommend not going alone, because if something were to happen to you, you would have no help. So it's probably best to come with company. I had some company, but my cousin's daughter, but she kind of suffers with asthma, so I told her just wait down at the trail, let me do it, and then when I'm done you can just see, you can watch the video instead of walking up with me. Yeah, come with company, probably the best idea. I made it back to that river. Now I just need to walk back to the parking lot. Okay, I made it back to the start of the trail. Now, should I do an outro? Thank you guys for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Yeah, and be sure to come to the Krantzkloof Nature Reserve. It's 60 Rand. It costs 60 Rand to go on this trail. If you're healthy enough, come, or you want to like start training and stuff, you can try it. It's difficult, but I managed to do it, so it's not that hard. I'm almost back here at the parking lot, and I would assume that this river is the waterfall that we just saw. This is it flowing downstream.